Good morning children. Today we are going to see science class lesson matter and material. In last class we saw where we getting the matter from the universe. There are different types of material we are getting in our universe, and also saw the properties of material. Some materials hard and soft, some materials are rough and flexible and waterproof material, and also we saw transparent object, translucent object and opaque object. Today class we are going to see reflection of light. So reflection of light means the whole world is around with the help of light. So just come out of your house, see, when you getting a sunlight you can see everything, right? You can see the house, tree, land, soil, everything around you. But in the night time you can't see anything. So your parents will tell you, right, in the night time don't go outside, some insects or will come and bite you. So in the light shine, nothing will come out. In the night time everything will come out. Okay, so the light is very important for our day-to-day life. Okay, so our natural light is sun. So light may come from the sun. And other source we are using in our house, what is that? Electric lamp and bulb, and some other sources we are using for preparing a light. Some houses will keep the solar light also, so they use a solar panel at the terrace and they'll get the source from the and convert it into light energy. Okay, electric energy. So we are using, other than the sun, electric lamp or bulb. These are kind we are using instead of light. So whatever object we are getting a light source is called a source of light. So now the light's main thing is, once it got in glow, it will reflect everywhere. Okay, so once we switch on the light, it will give a light to full whole the room. So if the light, it falls on the transparent material. Last class I told you, if you pass a light through the transparent object, it will reflect on the other side. You can see the next side object or image. If the light passes through the transparent object, that is passes through the light, but we can't see the clear image, we will get only blurred image. Okay, when light pass through the opaque object, so it will not pass allow the light through it, so no object will be visible to the next side of the opaque object. So the reflection of light, the light pass through the transparent object, it passes the light. Okay, when the light falls on the polished surface of an opaque object, opaque means, yeah, it will not allow the light to pass through it. So for example, take a mirror. Okay, you all know, right? In the mirror, if you show in the sunlight, it will make a shining on the other side. So some in our childhood days we'll use a mirror to show in a sunlight, it will reflect on the others faces. Okay, like this. The opaque, though mirror is a opaque object, so it will not allow the light through it. It bouncing back a light. Bouncing means it will reflect the light again on some other side, so that is a reflection. Okay, so in your mirror, if you have a mirror, you can test this and see what is a reflection of light. See, when you look into a mirror, you can see your own face and also the whatever behind you, that is what is the background of you, it will also reflect on the mirror. So we are getting the reflection, and we can see the images in our, where? In a mirror. Okay, so mirror is a opaque object, but it a reflection to other sides. So look at this example. See, one boy showing the light. This is not a natural light, this is a electric light. Okay, so one boy showing a torch light on the mirror. See, the girl is holding the mirror. Once a light falls on the mirror, see, it's a opaque object. It will not allow the light to pass through it. So the light is not coming other side. It will just reflecting on this guy. Okay, this boy. So once a light fall on the opaque object, the light will be reflect on other side. This is a reflection. See, we are getting the reflection. So at your home you all have a torch light and mirror. You can just test and see what is the reflection. Okay. So this is the end of the lesson. We finished matter and material lessons. Okay.